Hello, long time no see. Today we are going to the farmer's market again. I feel like I will go to the farmer's market as many times as I need to. Most of the times it's just to dilly-dally. Other times is dilly-dally. Anything for the dilly and the dally. So that's what we're going to do today. I have a list of things I still need to get for my apartment, like a coffee table. I still don't have a coffee table. The one I had for my old apartment was too big, so I had to discard. I had to throw it away. I need a coffee table. I need some things for my closet as well. There's nothing specific I look for at the farmer's market. It's just this is just something where I'm just like, if I see it, then I like it, then I can afford it, then I get it. So I need to blend that out. I look horrendous, but yeah. Absolutely an aimless. Something is moving around in my apartment. I don't know what it is. I'll leave it to God. But forgot what I was saying. Yeah, there's no goal to today's adventure. It's literally just, if I see it, I like it, then might get it. Maybe not the fur coats, because the fur coats are really expensive. Like $200 for fur coats. Honestly, even if it was a real animal that they skinned for that fur coat, still not worth it. Look, good thing about being black, your lips come with a natural liner. Okay. People have real problems. My tripod also broke. I don't know how it broke, but I guess I'm gonna have to. I don't have to. This is not a need. This is a want. Okay, this is a want. With all the horrible things going on in the world right now, it's good to find something to be happy about. So, I ordered a pair of new shoes. I remember last time I ordered shoes, and the only thing that's wrong with me today is that I keep ordering browns. Like, my closet is full of blacks and browns. I have no problem buying blacks and browns. I will keep buying it. In fact, these are new Uggs that I bought for myself. I could have been more patient with that, but brand new Uggs. Look at that. I've never bought myself. I've never owned a pair of Uggs. Last time I wore this was my sister's Ugg Tasmans, and I also got this spray. I saw this spray on TikTok, and it's to spray the shoe to kind of make it waterproof. I don't know. It's called Repel. I'm gonna link it in the description box, so if you want to buy it, just so when you step in shoes, kind of makes it waterproof. Fingers crossed, because this was $8. This was a lot. All right, let's open the shoe. Underwhelmed. But it's a shoe. It's supposed to step on. I ordered it a size down because I ordered a 9 because people say that it gets bigger as you wear it. My sister said hers got bigger when she wore it. So I was like, okay, if I get a size down, then it's going to, my foot is going to mold to my foot. This is what it looks like. Well, you know what Uggs look like. It's like, it's nothing big. It's like a cow foot. It's just nothing special about it. Why did I buy it? I don't know. It's comfortable. I need a new flip-flops. The other ones are like worn down. The other ones are tired. The other ones need to be retired. So, yeah. That's it for now. I'll see you back in 2 minutes or your 1 second. Hello! This is the outfit of the day. I promise it looks better in person. I'm gonna keep telling myself that until I believe it. So, trench coat, thrifted. Top, JCPenney. Shoes, you just saw it. Socks, that's probably my brother's. Leggings, Amazon. Hair, inherited. Face, inherited. Phone call, unwanted. Alright, I'll see you at the farmer's market. Or not. Oh, look at my bag. I guilted my mom into giving me So, I don't know. It kind of looks like a lunch bag. Whatever. I'm back. I took my camera with me thinking I was going to film something, but I did not film anything. But did have a change of shoes because the other one was hurting my foot. I don't know why I bought shoes on and then decided to wear on the same day. Horrible idea, but still cute. Alright, so here's what I bought. I've been using my friend's blow dryer. So I went to TJ Maxx. They have all the Christmas stuff out already. It's November 1st and they have all the Christmas stuff out. They just said F Thanksgiving, we're gonna get straight to it. So I got this blow dryer. Let me just open it while we're at it. See? And of course, went to the farmer's market. Did not buy anything other than food. And I don't mean like healthy, fresh farm food. I mean, I got a skewer. And after that, we went to TJ Maxx. And that's where I got this blow dryer. And then we was just going to different stores. And I was too hungry to film. But when we got to the Swahili place, that I did film. And after that, it just went... I just came back home. I was tired. Why want... Oh, still this. My place, I just moved in, but it's still coming together. And I need to keep reminding myself that everything's not gonna be fixed in the same day. Like, I'm not gonna have the apartment put together 1 week after moving in. That's just way too much. But I want to have it figured out before the end of November because I'm tired. So tired. Alright, so I got this blow dryer because it's kind of compact and it's foldable. And then it comes with this comb. My hair is not blow dried right now. It comes with this comb and it comes with this little attachment thingy. But instructions, we know how to use a blow dryer. We don't need that. And it's just like that. Very convenient. If you're traveling, you can fold it right back up. Alright, I'm gonna do just that. Where do you put the attachment though? I think the attachment goes like this. Yeah, that's cool. If you're traveling, you can take it with you. And it's from the brand. Here's what brand the blow dryer is from. So, yeah. And then from TJ Maxx, I also got this sugar container. My sugar right now is like in a random bowl. But I got this mason jar to put sugar in it. So, yeah. Could put other things. Okay, let's not complicate it. And then, I have so much stuff in here. We went to Ulta as well. When we went to Ulta, I got this moisturizing cream. I was out of mine, so had to replenish it. Plus, I have to braid my hair this night. And I also didn't get that many things. I got this from Five Below. It's like I'm looking at it. I don't know why I'm thinking about the name like it's something for it. These are my AirPod cases. It's been naked for some time now, so time to put some clothes on it. I don't know why I got it in green. Okay, I'm wearing green right now, but I don't really think I like green enough to be buying stuff in green. I should have gotten some snacks. Hold on. Struggling, but I'm getting there. And I didn't even film like parts of like the whole moving process because I was just tired of like moving the camera and filming and moving the camera and filming, and it's like it's taking too much time. So I just stopped. So you would just have to see the house transform over. Did it just break? I just got this. So you just have to watch the house transform over time. I'm gonna take off my shoes. It's like I'm punishing myself. Ugh. Alright. Where are the AirPods? Just... Please don't tell me it's too small. Please don't tell me it's too small. Where's the other part of it? It's supposed to go like this. Ugh. I think it's too small. It's supposed to cover the whole thing. What a waste of $5. I know you're thinking that's not a lot of money, but it is. So, what is going on? Did it rip? Seriously? Is it supposed to be like this? I feel like either way it just sucks. Cause this is supposed to be attached. That's disappointing. Alright, we're gonna end this video here. That's it for Saturday. I'm gonna go take out my makeup, do something with my hair, and edit or fall asleep. Hopefully edit, because by the time I'm done with my hair, I don't want to do anything else. So that's it for the day. I'm tired. Good night. And see you tomorrow when I'm in a better mood.